The MG Keycap profile is a high-profile ABS double-shot keycap compatible with Cherry MX switches. Melgeek created MG profile based on Topre's High Pro keycaps. If you're not familiar with keyboards that use Topre style switches, look it up. I ain't got time for that. If you've only owned keyboards that support Cherry MX style switches, then the most similar keycap profile you've probably tried is the Thought God SA profile keycap. Looks wise, it kind of looks like SA, but MG profile sits at a height at 15.9 millimeters, while SA sits at around 16.3 millimeters. The finish is also similar to SA as it sports a glossy finish, unlike the matte finish on other profiles. This could be considered a con to some. Sound wise, also similar, but the MG profile does sound a bit higher pitched than the SA sets I've tried in the past. Now there's one last con I need to mention. There are some issues with MG's kitting. This set does include the extra B for Alice/Arisu style layouts, but doesn't include any spacebar support. You could use the 2.75 shift and numpad keys like the plus and minus as spacebars, but this could be a con to some that there are not dedicated spacebar support for the Alice/Arisu style layouts. So they're tall like SA, look like SA, and sound similar to SA, but let's not forget the fact that MG is based off Topre's High Pro keycaps, not SA profile keycaps. And what sets Topre High Pros apart is the drastic sculpt at the top of the keycap. This drastic scoop is really where the profile shines and sets itself apart from SA. The scoop almost helps guide the fingers to the desired key you're looking to press, and because the scoop is there, it makes it feel quite a bit shorter than SA. Even though the high point only sits 0.4 millimeters lower, it's really a joy to use, and if you're looking for something different, this is a definite plus.
Preference, son.
And if you've been eyeballing the MG set, I definitely urge you to try them out and come to your own conclusion. So without further ado, I'll be leaving you here with a sound test. Thanks for watching, and as always, I appreciate you.
Like and subscribe, please.
Yeah.